Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can delete your account on Amazon Prime Video, so let's get right into it. Now, since this is Amazon's own proprietary video streaming service, you will need to delete your Amazon account as a whole. There are several tutorials on how you can check that out, but I'm pretty sure you just need to contact support and request them to delete your account permanently. This is, lawful, and they need to comply under certain regulations, depending on where you are in the world. The European side has the GDPR. There is also data protection in California, and I'm pretty sure in other states in the US as well, and you should be able to request an account deletion from them. You'll have to contact their customer support to do that, and that's pretty much it. Now, on Amazon Prime Video, if you don't want to go, delete your account fully, you can go into account and settings, and from here you can just end your membership if you want to do that, or you can go into manage profiles and click edit profile, and then select whichever profile you want, and then just click remove profile, then confirm, and then your profile will be removed and you can switch to other ones as well. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.